Hello lovely, welcome back in my humble little kitchen. In this episode I'm going to make ice cream because spring is in the air and that's what I'm craving. I haven't tried out this recipe before. It only exists in my head and in theory it should work, but we are going to find this out in a few minutes. So here I have 2 trays of frozen oat milk. I just froze some oat milk in ice cube trays. I wanted to use raw organic milk to make like really a nice dairy ice cream, but I didn't have any and the farmers market didn't have any as well. So I use what I have, which is oat milk. You can use coconut milk or any other milk of choice. I'm going to use some delicious local raw honey. Then I'm going to use some eggs, which we foraged at the goat farm here in Amsterdam. I'm going to use only the egg yolks, and then I'm going to use some matcha because it's going to be matcha flavored ice cream, and I'm loving this stuff. This is matcha with collagen from the Matcha Reserve. First I am putting my frozen oat milk cubes in the blender. Then I'm adding 4 egg yolks. I never throw away my egg whites. I keep them in a jar in my fridge for about 2 to 3 days, and I use them for pancakes, omelets, or any other baked goods. Very convenient whenever a recipe calls for egg whites. So that's a quick tip. So to my blender I'm going to add some honey and matcha, and then we're going to blend this up. So this is going in the freezer for a little bit just to firm up. I don't want to get it rock hard, and then I'm going to serve. Well, that's it guys for today. The kids love it, so my experiment worked out perfectly well. Next time I would probably use some cream or cashew cream or something more creamy like coconut milk or something like that to make it a little bit less watery and more solid and creamy. If you want to know more about the Matcha Reserve, I'll put the link down below and you can get some discount on their products as well. And for now, we are going outside because it's really pretty, beautiful and sunny, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.